How are you? How are you, Susie? I'm great. Thank you for asking. Hello, Jackson. Hello, Chris. Hello, Shidul. Hello, Farman. Hello, Jyoti. Hello, Susie. Okay. Okay. So students, pair number 1, group number 1 and group number 2. Rose, Mary and Shirdul, Farman, Jackson and Chris. You will be another group. Group number 1 and group number 2. You will talk about, you can discuss first form of verb, second form of verb and third form of verb. And group number B, you will also maintain and you will make your lessons. Verb number 1, first form of verb, second form of verb and third form of verb. You will have to make your lessons. You will have to make your practice, and I'm here for your. If you have any type of doubt, you can ask from me. I'm here. Stand up with your queries. Okay. So please start. I'm here with you. Okay. Do it with your independent practice. Right. Good guy. Yes. Okay, that's nice. Okay. Students, good morning. Hi, how are you, all of you? I'm great, thank you. As you know, my name is Gaurav and I'm an English teacher. Today we have a great chapter. Do you know what do you mean by verbs? Action of verbs. Susie, what do you think?
Verb is an action that we can use according to tenses.
Yes. Okay, so I can explain. Right? Okay, see here. V-A-R-B. What does it mean? It means actions. It used in tenses and also outside of the tenses also as well. So, do you know how many types of verb? 3 types of verb. Very nice. 3 types of verb. So, first form of verb. Verb second and verb third. Verb first, verb second, verb third. Okay, so let's get started. Any verb do you know, Susie? Verb, any verb do you know? Speak, right? Speak. It is a first form of verb or second or third? Please speak. Is it the first form of verb, second or third? Speak. It is a first form. Okay. Anyone know second form? Spoke. Speak. Spoke. And the third form of verb, what? Speak, spoke, spoken. Okay. Second, we have verb go. Go. Went. Gone. Okay, Rose. Next one. Do you know? Read. Okay. Do you know what's the meaning of reading? Read. What is read? Read means to study. To study something. Alright? Like your WhatsApp and your literatures. That is including read. And the second form of verb? Read. And the spelling should be? R-E-A-D. Okay. And the third one is? Read. Eat. eaten, and ate. Okay, this one is wrong. Sorry, this one is wrong, and we will use it. Eat, ate. Here it will be ate, and here will be eaten. E-A-T-E-N. Ate means pronounced like numerical word. Ate. So I am erasing. Eat, ate, eaten. Speak with me.
Eat, ate, eaten.
Okay. Mary, write, written. Okay. And next, Susie, wrote. Okay. Okay. Well, it is wrong. You will write here write, wrote, and written. Write, wrote, written. Okay. Next one, Mr. Farman. Okay. Please speak about next form. We have C. So, yes. Next one. Seen. Okay, yes, it's right. She saw seen. That's nice, Farman. Okay, Shardul, Mr. Shardul, please tell me about swim. What is swim? Swim, second form and third form. Swim. And third one, who will speak? Swim. Well, it is wrong. Swim, swam, not that. Swim, swam, swam. Okay, now one by one student will come and do practice with me. It is also your independent practice. You can make your group. Susie, Jackson, and you, Chris, you will together with Farman. And Rose and Mary, you will together with Shardul. And other guys also, you will make your pairs and you will make your sentences. You will use verbs in your daily life as you can speak here, like in present indefinite, in past. Okay, let me clear one thing. Speak. It is mostly uses in, it is in first form of verb, present. I speak, present indefinite. I speak, present indefinite. I spoke, it was second form of verb, it is past, right? Past, and it is present. It is for past. This line is for second form of verb is for past simple, past indefinite. It is for present simple, present indefinite, present continuous, but not for perfect. This one line, third form of verb is for perfect. This is one for perfect. Present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. You will have to use third form of verb. Right? Okay, one by one come and use it here. Okay, Susie, come here. Susie, come here. Good girl. Okay. Okay, Susie. It is for present simple. I dash English what speak, spoke, or spoken. What will you write here? Very nice. Claps for her. Really very nice. Okay. Please come. You're welcome. Please come. You an apple yesterday. It was for yesterday, last day, previous day. Eat, ate, eaten. What will you use? Okay, please write here. Very nice. Claps for this guy. Okay. Rose, please come. It is for perfect. Okay. I have third form of spin or second or first, whatever it is you will use. Okay, very nice. Good. Okay, Shardul, please come here. Okay, so write down go, eat, learn, speak, second form of verb and third form of verb. Please write down right here on whiteboard. Okay, so anybody knows what is right? Okay, thank you, Shardul. Please be seated here. Okay, Mary, please come here. Which was wrong? Please make it good. Use just. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now speak. Also speak. What was it? Very right. Very good. Okay. All of you will speak immediately. Okay, this was your subject for today. Forms of verb, first form of verb, second form of verb and third form of. Please be seated. Thank you, Mary, Rosemary. Very nice. Okay, hope you will understand. I know you understand very well. It was very good. And now you will make your pairs. Jackson and Jackson, Chris and Farman. You will make your pairs. Okay, please rotate your camera. Yes, these three guys. Okay, and these two girls and with Shardul. Shardul, please come here. Okay, and you three guys, you will make your pairs and you can rotate your chair front of each other. Yes, and you will there. Okay, make their video. Yes, please. Okay, they will also and also they will. Okay, एक दूसरे की तरफ मुंह कर लो.